keep going.
Warning, the following video is highly influenced by alcohol. The following footage is terrible, however some may find extremely entertaining. Continue at your own discretion. Let's party.
Arribons.
Hey guys, welcome back to Last Minute Living. Today, we're on a catamaran in Mauritius and we're gonna have a good time. Let's go!
I'm going to pass you to my cousin Samuel. He's from Mauritius. He's going to tell you where we are now. Where are we?
We are at Ilocef right now.
And what are we going to do?
Explore Ilocef.
Explore Ilocef. We're going to walk around and we're going to swim.
Probably.
Bit of swimming, bit of shopping.
Shopping is for sure.
And looking around. So check it out. Jules, are you excited?
Yeah!
Jules is excited. I'm excited. Samuel's excited. Everyone's excited. Ilocef. Let's go. We are headed to the beach. We're on Ilocef at the moment. Obviously we mentioned that before. We're going to enjoy a couple hours here and then we're back on the catamaran for a few more bits and pieces. So it's going to be a fun-filled day. Tomorrow we got a family day. But yeah, this is Mauritius. We're having a blast out here. Obviously we've got a couple more days left. We're running out of days, unfortunately. We're going to get back to work. With Brisbane a couple of weeks ago, Mauritius now. We haven't had much time to soak up Perth winter, but it's all right. We're enjoying it today. A few bits of pieces going on, but until then, we're going to enjoy this catamaran. We're going to be celebrating in the water. Then we're back on the catamaran. Shoot back home. We've got a couple hours on the way back to soak up the drinks. A few different spots in Mauritius that we're visiting. But definitely worth it, so check it out. in Mauritius. Magnifique. So, while I sit here at work editing away of this terrible video, which is very entertaining, might I add, that was some of my last memories from the Catamaran. So, yeah, it went from 0 to 100 real quick. I probably wouldn't usually be posting this kind of stuff on the channel, but we decided it was part of the trip. It's pretty hilarious, and it's all part of the fun. So, yeah, there it is. I've tried to make something out of nothing. Put a few bits and pieces together. Look, all in all, the Catamaran was an absolute blast. We pretty much booked the whole boat for ourselves. So everyone there was either a relative or a friend of a relative. So great fun. It was unlimited rum, cocktails, beer, wine, you name it, it was there. I don't know how much of a dent we put into it, but safe to say that I don't remember getting off the boat, so it must have been a good one. But an absolute ripper time, as you can see. Like I said, we just throw that one on for a little bit of fun. At the end of the day, it was part of our trip, so we thought we'd bring you along for the ride. Now, next week, well, don't know. Weather's not looking too great. For my break coming up. I'm editing this pretty close to the deadline of Tuesday, so we'll see how we go, but yeah, we will probably be doing something next week. We'll see how we go. We've got a few things to talk about in the near future, and then we'll probably look at taking December off again to sort of get ahead for the new year, so we'll see what happens. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed what shamble of a video I just put together. But until then, we'll see you on the next one. I better get to bed because I got work nice and early in the morning. Catch you later.